English tip by tip.
Tip 67. Clothing. Man. Tailor. Suit. Long pants. Vest. Short sleeve shirt. Long sleeve shirt. Coat. Jacket. Blazer. Pullover. Tie. Cuff. Cufflink. Boots. Shoes. Sport shoes. T-shirt. Short. Socks. Bathrobe. Slippers. Pajama. What happened?
Mr. Brown went to a department store to buy a suit. He thought about looking at prices first, but there was no time. If he had time, he might have found something less expensive. When he arrived, he immediately liked a blue suit that was in the store window. He looked for the sales clerk and asked to try on the suit. If the measurements were correct, he could take the suit home with him, but the pants were too long, and the store's tailor would have to make the adjustments. Mr. Brown arranged with the sales clerk that the suit should be delivered to his home.
Tip 67. Exercise. Complete.
Good morning. I would like to see that blue suit at the window.
Sure. It should be a L size for you.
Depending on the manufacturer, the medium should fit me.
I will bring both for the fitting.
Could you please also bring me that long sleeve shirt?
I don't have the long sleeve shirt in your size. Can I show you the short sleeve shirt?
Sure. The pants are a little long.
Our tailor can make the necessary adjustments.
Perfect. And when will it be ready?
Tomorrow. Do you want it delivered?
Yes, please. My address is here on the card.
It will be delivered by 10 a.m.
Thank you very much.
Answer.
Which suit did Mr. Brown like?
Mr. Brown liked the blue suit.
What size does Mr. Brown wear?
Mr. Brown wears L size.
What shirt did he want to see?
He wants to see the long sleeves shirt.
Did the suit fit him right?
The pants were too long.
Who can make the necessary adjustments?
The tailor can make the necessary adjustments.
When will it be ready?
It will be ready tomorrow.
Did Mr. Brown want it delivered?
Yes, Mr. Brown wanted it delivered.
By what time will it be delivered?
It will be delivered by 10 a.m. Fishing. I usually wear shorts to the country club. I wear a suit to the cocktail party. I wear long pants and a shirt to dinner. Everybody will wear a tie to the meeting. I prefer to wear boots in the country. It's cold today, so I wear a coat. I like to wear slippers at home. Lunch is informal, so I wear a blue t-shirt.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.